The concept behind an online managing system is for rural Uganda. This is a system that's going to help share knowledge between rural schools in rural Uganda. The idea came from the fact that there's a huge disparity in performance between urban and rural schools. As rural schools send very few students to the universities, urban schools send so much. So this has created a mismatch in academic performance and mismatch in development, hence lowering social life standards. Now, we plan to set up an online course management system, commonly known as LMS, which is a learning management system for rural schools. Rural schools have a lot of information and knowledge which is not shared between them. If they share this knowledge between them, it would create a multiplier. And once knowledge is multiplied, this means that there is more knowledge, and they'll be able to pass or perform better academically. Now, what we plan to do in this is that we shall host a system online where schools will be interlinked. They'll have the chance to interact. Students will be able to interact with one another. Once they interact, they can be able to know what the others don't know. Students from one school will be able to know what the others don't know, and like that. So that will lead to multiplier of knowledge and probably a possible better performance at school level. That's at secondary level. Now, technically, we plan to use an open source management system, probably Modo. In Modo, you can moderate what is being put online. You can moderate the content. This means that you, a teacher, will have the right to delete content, add content, modify content. Students will be able to read, they'll be able to ask questions, interact. This is very important by the fact that it makes the study process more interesting for the students. The students are going to be held in school longer, the dropout rate will reduce because of the fact that the whole system becomes interesting and thus improving on results. And this will be a very, very low-cost system. All they need to have is an internet connection at school level. Even if the internet connection is not there, there's a hybrid system that will be put in place. In the hybrid outlay, a school can have a DVD-like playing device where videos can be played for students to watch from other schools, and they will learn better that way. In any case, if they don't know something about a given topic or a subject, the school that did well in that subject will generate their videos, and thus them being able to watch. They watch this and probably it will improve on their understanding and knowledge on the given subject. Yeah, that is basically what the idea on the online learning management system is about.